Welcome to this video, guys. In this video I will show you how to copy and paste the features like this in SolidWorks. So let's begin. Open a part file, guys, because we are working in the part file. First we will model and then we will learn how to copy. Make sure that MMGS as selected as units. Change the background to plain white. Click on top plane, select the sketch, and then guys we need to select here center rectangle. Click on this center point and make a center rectangle like this. And now select the smart dimensions. Select this line and set the dimension as 20 millimeter. Similarly, select this line and set the dimension to 12 millimeter. After that, select the circle. Find here the midpoint and this corner point, make a circle like this, and similarly I want to do the same procedure on the other side like this. And now select this trim entities command. Just trim these lines. Make sure that you have selected this power trim. You can do it by using your mouse. You need to drag it like this to trim. And one last one, and as you can see the whole sketch has turned into gray one. This means that this sketch is ready to be extruded. So go to features and extruded boss base. We are going to extrude it, and here we have to specify the length of extrusion. I would specify here 3 and simply check this box. Let's apply some appearance, guys. And this is an optional step, but this makes the part good in appearance. You can select any appearance from here. Alright, so now select this surface and click on sketch option, and here I would like to select this hexagon. Trace the center point, guys, and make a hexagon. Now press the escape button. Now press control button. Do not release the control button. Select these 2 points and make relation as vertical. Check this box, and now select smart dimensioning tool and specify the length of this area, these 2 lines, 3 millimeter. Check this box, go to features, and I want to cut this, so extruded cut. As I want to cut it through, so I will select through all and check this box. And now what I will do, I will copy this sketch over here, right guys? So for that, press control button from your keyboard, drag this cut extrude and place it over here. Select this option, and here we have the copied feature. Now we have to specify the dimension, so click here and select this edit sketch. We can define it as this is under defined sketch, so we can press control button, select this point, do not release escape button and make relation vertical. And since it's a little bit down, guys, here you can see it's a little bit down, so go to edit feature again, press the control button, select these 2 points, 1, 2, and what I will do, I will make relation as horizontal. And as you can see, guys, this is shifted upward, and this is the proper position of this one. Press the exit sketch button, and here we have the part. So in this video we have learned how to copy a feature and paste in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.